In today's video, I'm going to do a grocery haul. These are my foods that I eat pretty much all week long. So I guess what you can call keto staples. So I'm going to share them with you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. And if grocery hauls are something you like, please give it a thumbs up. So that way I can do more of these. These are really fun to do. So, all right, so starting with dairy. So the only thing I really eat dairy-wise is sometimes I'll have some shredded cheese, and majority of the time, which is pretty much every day, I will have this heavy whipping cream to put in my coffee. This whips up really great. It froths up really good, and that's why I like to have this in my coffee. And then here is the natural cheese grated Parmesan. So I am making a meatloaf tonight, and I'm going to include this in here. So yeah, this is what I use, and my husband uses a lot of this in his spaghetti, but unless I'm using it in some form of recipe, I really don't eat this. All right, so that's dairy. And then I've talked about these before. They are the pepperoni thick slices. I like to put this in my lunch. It's so quick and easy. In my lunch with some boiled eggs, either breakfast or lunch, either way. Nonetheless, they are very economical and easy to just grab and put in your lunch. And these are pork rinds. These are habanero, and these are just the plain original. And I'm gonna use this again in a recipe. And they are good to use as breadcrumbs. And these, you always want to read the ingredients just because a lot of them have sugar or dextrose. So these, I read the ingredients. Ingredients are pork rinds and salt. So this is the first time I'm trying these. And I was happy to see the ingredients. I mean, two things, right? So I'm gonna try these. And then as far as meat, well, bake along with pork, I am trying this bacon for the first time. I don't think I've tried it, but I usually try and find bacon that has like half the sugar, no sugar. And I saw this one here. It is by Peterson's Natural Farms. It's, let's see, not preserved, keep refrigerated, no nitrates or nitrites added. It is gluten-free, lactose-free, MSG-free, and it says no sugar added. And this is it here. All right, so that's that. And again, I've shown you this before in one of my videos. This is the sausage I like to eat. I like, a little bit kick to it, so I get the jalapeno. The kielbasa, it's very good. And again, this is, I made, I think for breakfast yesterday, yesterday, a couple of days ago, I had one link with 2 scrambled eggs. Very, very tasty. All right, and then I also like the Jimmy Dean regular pork sausage. This is good either scrambled or with eggs, or just, cut into slices, but it's very good as well. And as far as ground beef, I got the 80-20 ground beef here. So this is almost, let's see, about 3.5 pounds. So usually when I make dinner, I'll make, say I'm making my husband some spaghetti, I'll ground the beef, I'll cook the beef and take some out for myself. But yeah, usually it's either pasta, spaghetti for him, and I like to eat ground beef with, I like to eat it with boiled eggs, scrambled eggs, on its own, or maybe like a taco salad. But you can make so much with a ground beef. And then these I got, they are the beef, let's try this again. Beef ribeye steak, boneless. these here, and these are so good. Usually I get the thin ribeyes, but I bought these last week or the week before, made one. Oh my gosh, the flavor is so much better than the thin ribeyes. With the thin ribeyes, I can have 2. With these, I can only have 1. Yeah, they're pretty filling. And I try and get the ones with a lot of fat in it, and this is what I was able to get today. And then last but not least, chicken wings. I'm sorry, chicken thighs. So there are times where, you know, I want something a little bit different. I made chicken wings last week. Those are very tasty, but I also want to have chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are very fatty, so I like to cook. It's been a while since I've made these. I just pop them in the oven and they are really tasty, and you just flavor them, whatever seasonings you like. I usually just put, gosh, minimal, maybe some garlic powder with, garlic salt, and then add some Redmond salt to it. So, you know, again, I don't really use pepper. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm not sure if you have keto staples that you buy every week. If you do, list it down in the comments. I'm curious to see what your staples are and share them with us. If you have any questions, please ask down in the comments. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I usually post every day, whether it's all my breakfast, lunch, and dinners or what I'm eating. Go ahead and follow me there as well. All right, see you then.